SPM enterprise-wide deployment offers data partitioning for strategic portfolio management tables. Organizations can use partitions to separate and control record visibility across functions. Enterprise-wide deployment, or EWD, is a strategic portfolio management product designed for enterprise-scale organizations that need to balance centralized platform management with department-level data isolation. With EWD, administrators can create and configure partitions that separate records across functions. For example, departments such as IT Ops, Human Resources, and Finance. This reduces the need for separate ServiceNow instances for each function. Here's our IT Ops partition record, which shows the IT Ops partition and its partition tables. EWD supports key strategic portfolio management tables with partition logic extending automatically to related records, such as cost plans and resource plans, through automatic partition stamping. A partition is a vertical data separation unit that controls which users or user groups can access specific records within supported tables. Partitions are configured at the function level for each supported table using a partition criteria field, such as department. Each partition is assigned a dedicated role that governs record visibility for users in that department. For example, a user assigned to the IT Ops partition sees only IT operations projects, demands, and related records. And likewise, a user assigned to the HR Learning and Development partition sees only HR data. Neither can see or access records belonging to any other partition unless they're also assigned to that partition. After a partition is configured, access control is enforced automatically through a security data filter. When users assigned only to the HR partition open Project Workspace, they see only HR projects and records. No IT or finance data appears in list views, search results, or dashboards. Users with roles for multiple partitions, such as a portfolio lead, see records from all their assigned partitions in a single view, with no duplication or data merging. This enforcement applies consistently across Project Workspace, Resource Management Workspace, Portfolio Planning Workspace, and Strategic Planning Workspace. When a record, such as a project or demand, is created in a supported table, the system automatically evaluates the partition criteria and stamps the partition value on the record. Administrators don't need to manually assign partitions to individual records. For related records and sub-entities, such as cost plans, resource plans, and planning items, the partition value is automatically inherited from the parent record. This keeps records consistent across the full SPM data model without any manual intervention. EWD includes two roles that govern partition creation, access, and record visibility. The EWD admin role is required for creating and configuring partitions. Users with this role can define, edit, and manage partition settings. The EWD PMO role grants visibility across all partitions, regardless of which specific partition roles are assigned. This role is designed for organizational leads, for example, project management office users, who require enterprise-wide visibility across all functions. EWD supports partitions for portfolio, program, demand, and project tables, including all their related entities, such as cost plans and resource plans. Enterprise-wide deployment gives administrators the tools to separate records across business units and deliver purpose-built workspace experiences, all within a single SPM instance.